The herringbone stitch pattern is a beautiful and textured technique, often admired for its striking, woven-like appearance. It creates a dense and durable fabric with diagonal patterns resembling the bones of a herring fish, hence the name. The texture is thick and sturdy, making it ideal for projects requiring structure. This stitch is commonly used for scarves, blankets, or even bags, as it adds a unique structure and visual appeal to the project. The diagonal lines give it a sophisticated, woven aesthetic. While the pattern looks stunning, it can be a bit more time-consuming and uses more yarn compared to simpler stitches. Since the fabric becomes dense, using a larger needle than recommended for the yarn size will produce the best results. Let's see how to knit the herringbone stitch. Cast on an even number of stitches. Row 1, knit 2 stitches together trough back loop, but slip only the first stitch off the left needle. Repeat this until the end of the row. Row 2, purl 2 stitches together, but slip only the first stitch off the left needle. Repeat this until the end of the row. Repeat rows 1 and 2 to continue the pattern. If you enjoyed this video, please support my work by giving it a like and sharing it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notified when the next video is released. Thank you so much for your support.